Good morning, children. In our previous period, we have completed our topic describing word. I have explained in that period that how that describing word is connected to naming words. See, again, I am going to explain you that the names of person, places, animals, and things are called naming words. That means we have so many things around us, and everything has its own name, and that is called naming word. Okay. So in the same way, however, it has its name, it has its some qualities also, and the word that tells you about the qualities of that noun, that naming word, they are called describing words. Okay, so in previous period I have explained you. Okay, so that qualities may be in the form of colors. It is not that always it should be in the form of colors, but it is in the form of colors, then in the form of numbers also, in the form of facial expressions, that happy, sad. Okay, then it may be in the form of qualities, various qualities of that thing, that is thin, thick, all these are some qualities. So so many qualities are there, so exactly we can't say that only color is the describing word. These are qualities are also describing word for that given noun. Okay, children, today I am going to start our textbook exercise, page number 37. Okay, see. See here first, the definition of describing naming word is given to you. That is, naming words are names of person, name of people, places, animal, and things. That I explained you that everything has its own name, and that names of people, places, animal, and things are called naming words. Okay, so what are describing words? And then read the story. First of all, elephant. Elephants are big animals with white tusk. Here, big word is used for elephants, that is animal, and white is for tusk, that is the teeth of elephant. See, these are tusk. We can say tusk. Okay, टस्क टस्क मीन्स जो एलिफेंट के दांत होते हैं ना, हमारे दांत को नहीं बोलते हैं, हमारे दांत को टीथ बोलते हैं. इन द सेम वे द टस्क ऑफ एलिफेंट, दे आर ऑल्सो वाइट लाइक अस. Okay, so white word is for their tusk. Second, they can pick up heavy logs with their strong trunks. कैसे ट्रंक होती है उनकी? स्ट्रॉन्ग ट्रंक होती है. ओके, एंड दे कैन pick up heavy logs with it. Logs कैसा है? Heavy. So strong and heavy are used for trunk and logs naming word. Then elephants live in hot grassland and forest. The elephants live in, how is that, grassland and forest? Hot. Okay, so here hot word is for that grassland and forest. Next, the same words are given to you with their naming words, and we have to match them. See, heavy, that logs are heavy, so second. Big, the animals are big, so third. And then strong, the trunks are strong, so that is fourth. And white for tusk, so I match it with one. Okay, next, here some qualities are given to you of that picture, and you have to circle correct one. So ant is big or small? So ant is small, so I have circled here small. And red or green apple, that apple is red. Okay, so girl is given to you with long hair, so here long word is circled. And then sun is square or round? Sun is always square, round in shape, it is not square. So all these are the describing word for. Okay, next, page number 38. Underline the naming words and circle the describing words in the sentence below. The tall giraffe looks over the high fence. Here, we first of all you should ask question with who. Then you will get naming word, and then you should ask question with how to that naming word. The tall giraffe. So who is tall? Giraffe is tall. So giraffe and look over the high fence. So who is high? That fence is high. So giraffe and fence are naming words here. So you can underline that. And tall, who how is giraffe? That giraffe is tall. And how is that fence? Fence is high. So they are describing word for these words. That's why we have to circle them. I like eating cold ice cream on a hot day. Okay, again here ice cream and day is naming words, so we have to underline it, and cold and hot are the describing words for them. The white cat sits on a red roof. Okay, so cat and roof are the naming words, and white and red are the describing words for these naming words. Little Ziba has curly hair. So Ziba and hair are naming words, and little and curly are the describing word for these naming words. Okay, the large dog ran behind the brown car. So here dog and car are the naming words, and brown and large are the describing word for them. So whatever the naming words are here, we have to write in describing naming word column, and whichever the describing word for them, we have to write in the column of describing word. For example, high fence, cold ice cream. Okay, cold ice cream, high. You can't see this now. It is not possible for you to see. Okay, little bit I should go. Then hot day. Okay, then white cat, red roof, little Ziba, curly hair, large dog, brown car. Children understood this? Now see question C. Color the bubbles that have describing words, match each with a naming word. Okay. So some describing words are given to you and some naming words are given to you. So which are the describing words? This big is a describing word. It is quality. So pretty is also describing word. It is also quality. Then small, that is also describing word. Then butterfly, no, butterfly is a naming word. So to whom we can match it? Maybe small or pretty, maybe pretty butterfly. Okay, in this way we can match it. Pretty butterfly. Okay, then small, no, sorry, pretty dress we can say. Dress is pretty and small is butterfly. Okay, then big, here again golden, that it is also golden is also describing word. And here dog and house, so we can use here uh, big house and golden dog. Dog is not mostly golden, we can say that small dog and golden butterfly or golden dress. Okay, in this way pretty dress or pretty butterfly and golden anything, golden dress or butterfly also can golden. Okay, in this way you can match it. Okay, so children, here we have completed our lesson 5 describing words. It is very easy. Whatever the things you can see at your home, you can try to say, you can try to describe its quality to your parents. Okay children, so every time whatever thing you can see, if any chair is there, so you can say that chair is brown, that chair is white, red chair. So that colors are the describing words for that chair now. Okay, any bed sheet also if you have, you can describe that this is color, or it is square in shape, it is rectangular in shape. Whatever you are eating at the time of your breakfast or lunch or dinner, you can describe that. There are very colorful dishes your mama cooks. So you can say her, mama, it is this color, mama, it is very tasty. That tasty word is also describing word for that thing that your mama cooks for you. Okay, so in this way you can interact this every day, whatever I am going to टीच यू, है ना। ये आप रोज घर पे कर सकते हो, आपकी मम्मा बना दी, उसका कलर बताओ, उसका टेस्ट बताओ, ठीक है। ओके चिल्ड्रन, बाय।